Hello, my name is Stephen Vigil. It's February 1st, 2020. This is Bio 225 Week 3. And in this video, I'll be going over a couple things. First, I'm going to start off by going over areas of the microscope with the camera. First, we're going to talk about, this will be the eyepiece. It's used for observing the slides. On many particular microscopes, this will have magnified specimen of 10 times. These are the objectives. This will magnify the specimen at different powers depending on the lens, and this will be at 4 times, 10 times, or 100 times. And as you can see, these are the objective lenses here. We have the coarse and fine adjustment. This would be the coarse and fine adjustment. The coarse is obviously moving the stage up and down. Here we have the fine adjustment here, and the coarse adjustment moves the specimen in and out of view quickly, while the fine adjustment is used to relatively sharpen the edges of the picture. Here we have the arm of the microscope. The base is down here. The light switch is here. I'm going to pick it up from here. This is the light part here, and the light is needed to illuminate the slide from underneath so that it can be visualized when observing the slides. Here in the back, we have the on and off as well. Okay, so moving on, we're going to look at a few slides that were presented today, but first we're going to go over the eukaryotic cell. It's a single cell that has no definite shape. So for video purposes, I'm going to grab the N-Mobia cell, and that is here. I'll put it on the stage. I'm going to place the slide here on the stage, and it will be held in place to the stage clips here. Starting with the lowest power magnification. I'm going to use the coarse adjustment here until I see the specimen in the field of view, and then I will use the fine adjustment to really sharpen the edges for a clean view of the slides. From here I can adjust the power, choosing different objectives, like I said, by sharpening those edges. And for video purposes, I've already taken pictures of the slides using the cell and 1 and 3 different views. Now from here, the last part, I'll be going over a wet mount. To do this, I'm going to gather the supplies I needed. So I already have a swab, a plate, the necessary supplies to do the slide. I'm going to remove the old slide here, put it like here, and I've already kind of sterilized my counter. I'm going to put some gloves on. So I got a pipette, some distilled water, sterile swabs, a slide, and a slip cover. So I'm going to start by swabbing, the inside of my mouth or my cheek. Gently swab the cheek, and now I'm going to add a drop of distilled water using the pipette. I'm going to smear the sample all over the slide here. Okay. So I'm going to smear it on the slide, grab a drop of water, put it on the slide. I'm going to get the cover slip. Kind of want to do it at a 90 degree angle, and drop it down. Now you may have some excess water that spills inside, so you just kind of want to clean it with a napkin. Put the slide on the stage. And obviously you want to start again at the lowest magnification. It can be observed in the same way as the slide I previously showed you within video. I will do the same steps for each observation using the observation lens. And for video purposes, I've already taken pictures of the slides of the cells. That was first. And the third one there. Right. So this concludes my video for week 3. Thank you and have a good day.